If there was ever a moment when we needed to stand up and fight against the forces of oligarchy and authoritarianism, this is that time.
Words of warning fell on deaf ears, deaf ears, deaf ears. Canary's song was so clear, so clear. Drowned out by the calls for bloody red glare. With the barrel of a gun coming for your only son. Some more commotion. Riches regress, we all need less. Blow that damn door. Live in freedom on the run. Live in freedom on the run. This must be a dream, but I don't think it's American, not as all as it seems. One nation cloaked by fear again. So we run and we run, pray our feet don't give out. In the cover of shadow we shake off our doubt. Yeah, we run and we run and we don't talk her out. Heavy load we can carry, bless the proletariat. This must be a dream. Divide is draining our means. Social warfare fuels the mutiny. Tear neighbors at the seams. The state then gets the rest of me. The proletariat. The state then gets the rest of me. The proletariat. Words of warning fell on deaf ears. Deaf ears. Hold the line through all the despair. Deaf ears. Deaf ears. Raise your fist and light your last flare. Deaf ears. Deaf ears. Come on, baby, lose your chains. It's time we played a different game. Come on, baby, lose your chains. It's time we played a different game. After all we have seen, we are coming up for air again. Are your hands so pristine upon the backs that keep us profiting? Hear that canary sing. The proletariat. Words of warning fell on deaf ears. Hear that canary sing. Words of warning. Hear that canary sing. Deaf ears, deaf ears. Deaf ears, deaf ears. Deaf ears, deaf ears. Deaf ears, deaf ears.
The ruling class has always fought and trained you to believe it to be your patriotic duty to go to war and to have yourself slaughtered at their command. But in all the history of the world, you, the people, have never had a voice in declaring war. And strange as it certainly appears, no war by any nation in any age has ever been declared by the people.